At this station, you will become an expert on how to use tools that measure length or distance. There are two tools that we use in science to do this. The first is a ruler. I know you've all seen a ruler before. There are two scales on it. One is inches and the other is centimeters. In science class, we are always going to use centimeters because the United States is the only country in the world that uses inches or feet or yards. In order to communicate effectively with scientists across the world, we're going to use their scale. We're going to use centimeters. The other tool we use to measure distance is a meter stick. One side has centimeters, which are the numbers that are listed on the meter stick. The scale goes from 1 to 100. That would be an entire meter. Make sure that you're not using the inch side when you make measurements in science. This scale goes from 1 to 39. So, whenever we go to measure using our meter stick, we are going to have to be very careful. Come down to the floor with me. You will be measuring from one tape line to the next, just like I am. So start at the edge of your tape line, just put the edge of the meter stick right up to the edge. Then you're going to mark the end of the meter stick, your 100 centimeters, with your finger. When you move your meter stick, you need to be very careful. If you move your finger, you're going to have to start over because you won't have an accurate measurement. So I'll put my finger down to mark where 100 centimeters is, then move my meter stick down so that the end is where my fingertip was. Then I'm going to go down to the other end and take my reading. The tape right now is at 100 centimeters for my first meter stick and 89 centimeters. Now it's your turn to try. Follow the directions at your station to become experts in using the meter stick.